this Adani group of stocks as well. There's a sudden spike happening in all of these names. Pull up the intraday chart of Adani Power, Adani Transmission, Adani Wilmar. Look at those intraday moves. Adani Power has now spiked 7%. Ditto with Adani Transmission, Green, Gas. We should pull up all of these counters and try and understand what's happening. 10% higher now, Adani Green. Nooresh, any view on the Adani group of stocks and any stock that you would like to recommend?
So seeing a short-term breakout in some of them, Adani Power looks interesting because the rest of the power names have done well. That stock is trying to make a short-term breakout move about to 55 to 60. So this could be one. The other names are a little risky given their overall trend. But if one looks at it, Adani Wilmar could be another one which slowly drifted off and has corrected from a point of 800 all the way to down to 400. So would keep a stop loss at 400 and go long on Adani Wilmar, and keep a stop loss at 245 and go long on Adani Power.
Well, other power stocks including Adani Green and Power are doing well. What's tanking in the trading session is Suzlon Energy as well as Inox Wind. Suzlon Energy just reported its numbers, so maybe it's a reaction coming to that. That one is now locked in lower circuit of 5%, and Inox Wind as well, down about 5%. In terms of the other big movers, it was Jyoti Labs, which is locked in 20% circuit. The numbers were very strong with the profitability doubling on a year-on-year basis, plus the commentary being quite strong. That is having an impact. Titagar Wagons and Thermax, that's the odd one out. No news flow on that one as such, but this stock is holding up with a gain of around 7 to 8%. But on that note, Varun, we let you go. Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate your time for 18 hour today. But quickly, let's go into our technical experts as well to get a sense as to which chart looked the most interesting. Kunal?
So in terms of closing trade, I would look out for booking profits on Glenmark Pharma. I think at 790.95 levels, the stock seems to be getting into a bit of an exaggerated or an overbought zone. Indicators are extremely overbought, so that's a trade which I will look to trade at current levels.
Suresh, what about the closing trade that you are spotting?
So continue to like GAIL India. The stock has hit a new 52-week high. Finally, that 112 to 114 mark is taken out, as well as on a dividend-adjusted basis, an all-time high. So looks very promising for a move towards to 125 odd levels.
So GAIL is a buy recommendation coming in from Nooresh. But on that note, slipping into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll track the last 30 minutes of the trading session when we come back.